I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher with over 20 years of experience. I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics at SOAS, University of London, the oldest university for Japanese studies outside of Japan. Since then, I've taught at King's College London, SOAS, and the British Foreign and Commonwealth Office, amongst others. My academy has also worked with the British Museum, Sony, and Deloitte. And I was honored to be selected as Best Online Tutor by Vidalingua. Over the past 20 years, I've developed my own effective teaching method, and I'm so happy to share it with you through Arai Academy of Japanese Studies. Many Japanese learners tell me they've studied for years but still don't feel confident speaking. Find lots of reading, writing, and listening practice, but real speaking practice is hard to find. Learning Japanese is like learning piano or tennis. You need daily speaking practice, even just 5 minutes a day to improve. Private lessons can be expensive or difficult to schedule. That's why I created the Master Speaking Japanese Self-Study course, a friendly, affordable, and flexible way to practice speaking every day, even without a partner. In this course, you'll actually speak with me in each video using the same PowerPoint and materials I created for my university and private students, including executives. Even complete beginners start to feel confident in just 4 weeks. You'll understand the mindset behind Japanese expressions untranslatable like yoroshiku onegaishimasu, so you can use them naturally like a native speaker. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. You'll build confidence, understand Japanese logic, and communicate smoothly. My passion is to help Japanese learners all over the world speak confidently and enjoy real conversations. Join me in Master Speaking Japanese course and then see how much progress you can make in just 4 weeks. Let's master speaking Japanese together!